Happy Ibon mga kapakpak. Uyo, ano ba ngayon? Happy Monday, Sir Vince. Sir Vincent, Sir Mark, Vincent. Sir, quiz, thank you so much ha. So, saan? Certified kapakpak from?
Blooming Treat.
Blooming Treat. Sir Mark, thank you so much ha. Again, syempre, ito na yung request mo. Hand feed. Indian ring neck. Tapos kakatail na cinnamon pearl. Grabe naman. So again, syempre kung first time nyo kami napanood dito sa Facebook, YouTube or TikTok man, this is your Kuya Dan. Only sa Dan Sibunan. Kwento ang ibon at kung ano-ano pa. Sarap na ito. Tingnan mo na. 4 weeks pa lang pero sobrang solid no yung ating yung Indian ring neck na green. Located po tayo sa 37 Consuelo Street, Marulas, Valenzuela City. Pwede kayo dumapo rito from Monday to Saturday, 8 AM hanggang 8 PM ng gabi. Bisitahin nyo na rin yung mga online store natin nandiyan sa taas ng caption. Yan, no? Again, syempre, maraming salamat. Lagi din natatandaan saan? Yun, pag may ibon sa bahay. In English, life is happier with birds at home. God bless sa lahat. Bye-bye. Sir Mark, thank you so much. Bye-bye. You know.